Hello, everyone. My name is David Medellin. I have 21 years old, and I want I want presentation my family for well to my nephews. And they are three persons, um, two boys and one girl. Juan, Gabriela, and Sergio. Juan, Gabriela, and Sergio. Um, Juan, Juan is 11 years old and is much bigger than Sergio. And Sergio is seven years old and is much faster than Gabi. That who is 9 years old, uh, but Gabi is much um, taller and faster than Sergio. These children are my dear thoughts as and say you dearly. And okay, this is my family I more I love. Um, Thank you.